Where has the... Hey guys, you might know me from 2 train videos, but I don't only film them. I'm in front of my house and it's raining pretty hard. California needs it. But unfortunately it's on Halloween and I'm gonna go trick-or-treating in a few hours. And this is why my soccer practice was canceled. And as you can see, why the park needs it. Like, there's a park and look how gray the grass is. So, nice to be raining, but not on Halloween. Like, earlier it was a light drizzle, but now it's raining pretty good. Look at this gutter here, it's pretty flooded up and dirty. There hasn't been any lightning. Would be pretty cool if there was. We haven't had a lightning storm in more than 11 months. Almost a year. And it might rain tomorrow, and if it does, expect a video of that. Hey guys, I am back. Look at Los Gatos. The entire town. Look at my street. It's just wet. Soccer's canceled, and I bet my friends is too. Look, there's a mountain, as you can see. Sorry for the water on the screen, but look. The clouds are so low that the mountain's lower than them. Look at the street. It's just kind of wet. That's not good, because hopefully I won't fall in it when I go trick-or-treating tonight, and hopefully no other people will fall in it. See ya.